Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I want to talk about responsive UI in Flutter. Okay, for any feature that you want to create it, you can add a directory, for example home, and first we need home page, and stateful widget home page. Okay, for this screen we need a layout builder because we want to make a responsive view. So let's add layout builder with context and constraint like that. Okay, now we have to check the constraint. If the box constraint that max width is less than 600, it makes sense to return a mobile screen. Return mobile, and otherwise return desktop view like that. Okay, now we have to create a real mobile and desktop. First let me add both of them to the constructor. Now widget mobile view and desktop view. Okay, now we can return real widget. Desktop view. This value depends on mobile screen, so you can manage them for tablets too, but 600 is logical for mobile screens. Okay, now it's done, so let's add a mobile and desktop view here. Another file, home mobile, can be a stateless widget, home mobile, and first let's create just a container. And copy this one for new dark file, home desktop, like that. Yes. Let me check and change the color, tip orange maybe. Okay, now we can use the home page in the main.dart. So let's replace this one. Home page. For desktop view we have home desktop, and for mobile view home mobile. Now let's run this one. Yeah, as you see we have a view that's show the purple, and it's a mobile screen because it's less than 600 width. But if I change the size, it will change to the orange. So here we have desktop view and here we have mobile view. So let's create mobile view first, and after that we are going through the desktop. Okay, I want to add a header image here and a list at the bottom of the screen for mobile. So let's create a scaffold with an app bar. Text like mobile view and style colors that white. And for background color can use colors that purple with alpha 100, and here colors dot deep purple. Okay, it looks good. So let's add a header image here, and to the body, yes, the column and children. So this is important for responsive UI that you are using aspect ratio when you are wanna fix size. So first I have to add aspect ratio widget here with this one, maybe like that. And for child, we have a container, decoration, and add border radius, 50, and image. Decoration image and asset image. Okay, I've added this asset here in the asset folder, header.jpg. So let's add this one, lib assets, and header.jpg. Okay, let me see the result. Yes, but we're gonna cover this image, so add fit to the asset image, fit box fit dot color. Yes, nice. We need some padding here, so add padding to the column, can be 10. Okay, now as you see, when I change the size, the aspect ratio will be fixed, and it's so useful for responsive designs. Okay, now let's add a list at the bottom of the screen. So here we can have an expanded with the child list view, and let's create simple container. Border radius about 5 is enough, and color color can be purple too, so colors that do purple, alpha 350, and item count be 10. Let me see. Yeah, we have to add height value about 50 could be enough. Yeah, that's good. So let's add some margin. Vertical 10. Nice. Now we have a header and a list of sub views here, and it's scrollable, and it's our mobile view. So let's go through the desktop view, and I want to add a sidebar here. When I using desktop view, I need a sidebar, so let's copy mobile view and add this one to the home desktop. Home desktop, the same for constructor. Change the label desktop view. Okay, now if I reload this, when I expand the view, you see just desktop view will change at the app bar, mobile view and desktop view, but it doesn't look good. So let's add a sidebar here. Okay, it can be more user friendly. Let's wrap this column and add a row here, children expanded, this one, and add sidebar here. It can be a container with decoration. Decoration could be the same, so let's copy this one here. And it can be fixed size sidebar, for example 200. Let me see. Yes, we need some padding here at the left side, so add margin const only left. Okay, nice. As you see, it looks good. We have sidebar and header and list of items here in the desktop view like that, but if it's going through the mobile, we just see the header and a list here. Now we're already done, but let me mention an important point. When you want to set your screen size, you want to know what is your screen size, you can use the MediaQuery class. For example, in the sidebar we can use MediaQuery for have access to the size of a screen. For example, we don't need to set fixed width here. We can set the MediaQuery for context dot size. Now we have height and width and aspect ratio and something else. Here I need width, and for example can be logical. Okay, now if I change the side and expand the screen, the sidebar will change. Yeah, so when I expand this screen, the sidebar will expand too, and it's a pretty good responsive design. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more Flutter tutorials.